This is our recently purchased Karen cabin from Tuin. Fully installed and recently decorated. It took a few weeks, but we wanted to get it done right. Laid a concrete base to ensure that it was completely level. 2 windows at the front, double glazed. We go inside. Very sturdy and well made cabin. Service has been great, delivery very efficient. Right on articulated lorry with the forklift on the back. Very comprehensive instructions and guide. Being a novice to DIY, I did utilise the services of a local carpenter to assist. We did it probably about 3 days. As mentioned, double glazed. We went for a high spec floor, which is well worth it. I'll just show you the lockable door. 2 turns. Secure. That's the Karen. Great cabin. Well worth the investment.